Here is this interesting app called Reveal, photo dump your friends. Maybe it's kind of competing with BeReal, but it has a reverse concept. So basically, you photo dump your friends daily with pics from your day, but these pictures can't be seen until random push notification is sent out. Then you have 2 minutes just to see what your friends posted, comment and like their photos. So you can post photos all the time, however photos you like, so not just one photo as on BeReal, but they won't reveal until the push notification is sent. Once a day, all your friends get together to look at all the fun stuff you did throughout the day. So that's basically the idea. So as you can see, it's kind of opposite to BeReal. And on this app, you also have notifications, so you need to enable the notifications. You also had 2 minutes, but you have these 2 minutes just to view photos, not to post. You can post all the day, but to view you have only 2 minutes. So it's an interesting concept, and it's climbing in the top charts in the US. So Reveal sends 1 notification per day. So I just enable notifications, and this is how the app looks like. Kind of similar to BeReal, to be honest. The design, and then it says post again in this time. So I still can't post it, and then I want to reveal late, and I can't reveal as well. So what I can do, I can invite friends. I can just tap invite, and then I can just send to someone, and then if I want to reveal, I can just upgrade and see pixels allow you to reveal late when you missed what your friends posted, get pixels by inviting friends, posting daily, and try different stuff. So you can upgrade here. That's basically how they monetize in the app. But then if you want to you can still comment, but obviously I don't see the photo. So then you can just follow someone, you can block someone. Then you have friends here. Then you have your account. You can see all your dumps, all your photos. And then here you also have widget. So that's that. Only widget, friend photo roles and widget. So that's another project from this app, from this team. And then you can also just easily delete your account. Are you sure you want to delete your account? All your pics will be removed and non-recoverable. The widgets will not show your friends anymore. So you can do that. So something around it. Oops, sorry guys. This is just some other app. But anyhow, this is interesting app for sure. Privacy, you can read the privacy here. You can send feedback if you want. You can contact support team at onlywidget.com. So it's the same team from OnlyWidget. So that's basically the idea. Hope this can be helpful. You can change your profile picture here. But thanks for watching. Hope you like this app. Definitely give it a try. Maybe it really will grow into some bigger project. Let's see.